our veterans from our community. Thank you, veterans. Veterans for Peace, Sepharda. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, Veterans for Peace. Following up the Veterans for Peace, from Portsmouth, New Hampshire, the Leftist Marching Band. The Leftist Marching Band. Thank you. Carlos Arredondo. Thank you. Thank you. Radical cheerleaders. Radical cheerleaders. Approaching from the great state of Wisconsin, the combined band from Madison, Wisconsin, the band Forward, and from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the Milwaukee Molotov Marchers, all involved with street demonstrations in the state of Wisconsin. Welcome, Wisconsin.